Let me go ahead and welcome to the panel, Masharat.
Mashallah. Yeah. What's up? What's up? Shalom, shalom. I
No,
got a question, right?
shalom,
You can
shalom, shalom.
you can hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
So you an Israelite?
Come on now.
I'm asking you a
What kind
question,
of
brother.
question?
That's all I'm
Come
just
on now,
asking you a
really?
question.
Really? Let me ask you this. How long have you been watching this live stream? How long have you been watching
I
this?
just clicked. I got on YouTube. I seen it and I joined the stream.
Okay, I can tell. Because for you to ask that question, it's a very obvious question that I'm an Israelite.
What tribe you from?
If you want to go off that 12 tribes chart, which I don't believe in, I'm from the tribe of Yahawah.
What tribe of Judah? So like where's your where are you from? Like what in the worldly sense, like what's your nationality or whatever you want to ethnicity? Like where do your parents where did they migrate from? Like where did you know?
Okay, now we're getting off to another topic. You're taking airplane rides that I am not trying to take. Let's stay on topic. I looked out for
So
you.
what's the topic?
Masharat.
What's the topic? What's the topic? I just came into the chat. I want to join this dialogue though. I would like to be part of the dialogue. Like what's the topic?
Well, first, King, I was looking out by just answering those questions. I didn't even have to answer those questions, but I answered them, and you're still pressing me, which is strange
No,
to
I
me.
said what's the topic?
You don't know what
What
the
are you talking
topic
about?
is, and you came on this live stream?
Yeah, I did. I seen you said Israel. I'm an Israelite, so I pulled up to see what you was talking about. What you mean?
Are you an Israelite?
Definitely, for sure. No ifs, ands, or buts. He Hebrew from the tribe of Simeon. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, can you let's how about this? Let's treat one another like Israelites.
I
How's that?
am though. I'm not. Did I disrespect you?
You're pressing me with these questions.
I'm
not
pressed.
being
I asked you.
interrogated.
Listen,
You are
brother. Listen.
No,
Listen.
You're on
Listen. I asked you.
no. You're on this platform over here. You don't run things over here. You don't come over here interrogating me. Okay? Do not take my kindness for weakness. I don't get down like that. I ain't the one. I'm letting you know right now, Masharat. I ain't the one. Please come respectfully.
So I could talk now. Can I talk?
Please.
Are you gonna let me
Remember,
talk?
be respectful.
All right, so I could talk now. I could talk now.
Look, I peep game. I peep game. So you up
Bro,
here asking me all these questions. You over here interrogate me.
Bro.
You trying to interrogate me, and you don't even know the topic
are you gonna let me talk?
of tonight's discussion.
Hey, brother, can I give you a scripture real quick?
Before you come onto a live stream, make sure you know what topic that you're coming in on. Instead of just coming in and not having an idea where you're at. I think you're in the wrong room. Are you in the wrong room? Are you lost?
No, bro, that's why I asked you give me the top. You're not even letting me talk, bro.
Hey, brother. Hey, this is a very peaceful spot. You might not be upset, angry, or nothing, but you came in kind of hostile. Now, as Israel, that's probably one of the biggest problems we got is because we come in a little hot sometimes. When you say that you from Simeon, I'm pretty sure that's based off of the 12 tribe chart. Let's just say, for instance, I'm from Igbo. Where does your 12 tribes chart put me?
You gonna let me talk? I'm unmuted now. All right, bro. So can we just do things in order? I never try to disrespect you, Jadon. I never try to disrespect you, interrogate you. My bad if you felt that way, but muting me, bro, that's a little kissed, bro. You ain't gotta do that, bro. We grown here, bro. I came with respect. I wanted to join the panel. That's it, and just have a normal conversation. So for you to say I'm interrogating you, bro, is crazy, bro. I just asked you questions, and then you didn't want to answer them, and then I moved on. So now to answer your question, you said if the Igbo tribe, that's in Africa, right?
As any Israelite,
that tribe's in Africa, right?
What point is you getting at with this, brother?
No, I'm asking
brother,
you.
No, you asking me a question. To be honest, brother, you probably be from the tribe of Judah.
Yeah,
it's like look, listen. Everybody has their own walk in this truth. If y'all don't want to believe the 12 tribes chart, that's fine, bro. Like, I didn't come here for none of that. Like I just came to dialogue with brothers. That's it. Like how can I say
Shalom would be the best place to start, brother.
Hey, Jaden, can we get a scripture real quick?
Yeah,
I can't hear you.
yes. I'm gonna go ahead and allow Masharat back on, but if he continues with that weird energy, I'm gonna have to kick him off. I don't want to kick him off, but
that was
if he's
regarding
coming
to
over
that.
here, yeah.
That was regarding to that. Go to Second Chronicles chapter 7, verse 14, real quick.
Second Chronicles, run that back.
Second Chronicles chapter 7, verse 14.
All right. It's
Yeah,
on screen.
Read that for me, brother.
All glory. If my people, which are called by my name, shall humble themselves and pray and seek my face.
Yeah, that's all I wanted. So when it says, if my people which are called by my name shall humble themselves, mean that you gotta stay humble. You can't come in somebody's platform with a powerful spirit. That's the point I was trying to make with the brother. That's all.
I appreciate that. Thank you, King. I
Yes, sir.
appreciate you bringing that scripture out. I mean, look, you got a lot of people claiming to be Israelites, but are not walking by this the fruit of the spirit, and it's a shame. And like I didn't mean to be mean. So if I came off mean, it was just I picked up what he was trying to do. He was trying to interrogate me with all these questions. I've already answered 2 of them questions, and he wanted to continue on, and it was off topic. I just didn't like his energy. I thought it was strange. It was weird. He just brought weird energy. But I appreciate you bringing that scripture out. And Masharat, if you want to come back on, I'm going to give you another chance. But please humble yourself.
Yes, sir.
And I noticed he did. And I noticed he didn't answer that question either. I noticed he didn't answer that. He said, "Where is it? I think it's in Africa." He said, "Where is it? In Africa?"
Right. Hey, I told you, Jaden. Hey, I just already said it last time. I know you probably get it hardest from, you know what I'm saying, the brothers, because they look at you, you know what I'm saying, like a light-skinned brother, and they're gonna try run away with whatever they're gonna run away with. But man, hey, you wasn't wrong. Man, just don't let nobody pull you off sides, bro. We trying to win this chip. You know what I mean? We can't take them penalties, brother. It's too close to the end of the game. And everybody who don't know should know. And everybody who should know should act like it.
So next time, you think I should just cut them off? Do you think I give too much grace to some of these trolls?
When it's a brother who claims to be of Israel, man, I think we've been traumatized. Let him beat himself, and then we'll walk the dog like we supposed to, bro.
All praises, all glory. Yes, I did get sidetracked, and I apologize, family, for that, because we got off topic. We were having a good discussion about the topic of tonight's video, which was, is Yahuwah, open panel discussion. That was the title. That is the title of tonight's live stream, but I'm sorry that we took an airplane ride, and sometimes I show a lot of kindness. But the thing is, I'm not nice. I don't believe in nice. And I think at times, some of our family, they think they can come over here and just act crazy. And, I do allow some of it. So maybe I should tighten up.
Man, Judah like a lion, bro. Judah like a lion, man. You can't be like, I shouldn't have did that. Hey, who gonna put their hand in the cage if they don't want to get it snapped off?
We get back to the scriptures.
Come on now. I mean, I didn't know if he had a badge. I don't know if I was under arrest. I mean, he didn't read me my rights. If he was an officer, I would have asserted my rights. I would have 4th, 5th, and 6th Amendment.